Hi everyone, this is Brian Hayes and welcome to an introduction to the sounds of the saxophone family. I'm going to start today with the highest pitched instrument of the common saxophones in use. This is the little E-flat sopranino saxophone. I've got the straight version of this instrument. There is a curved version which is extremely rare and very difficult to play in tune. Throughout, I'm going to use the same extract of perhaps the most famous melody ever recorded for the saxophone, and I hope you get to hear the difference in the character, the pitch, and the sound of the different saxophones. So here we have the E-flat straight sopranino sax. The next saxophone lower in pitch than the sopranino is the B-flat soprano saxophone. I've got here a curved B-flat soprano sax. This instrument is pitched the same as the trumpet and the clarinet. As well as a curved soprano sax, the straight version of that instrument is very common. This is a B-flat straight soprano sax. It's pitched again the same as the trumpet and the clarinet, but like the sopranino saxophone, this instrument is played out in front of the player in the same way that a clarinet is played. We now come down another step lower in pitch to perhaps the most commonly heard and seen of all of the saxophones, the E-flat alto saxophone. We take another step lower in pitch, this time down to the B-flat tenor saxophone. This is an iconic instrument in the history of jazz, blues, rock and roll, contemporary and pop music. And now finally we come to the E-flat baritone saxophone. This very large instrument is the lowest in the commonly used saxophone family. It's 1 full octave lower than the alto sax, 2 full octaves lower than the sopranino sax. I hope you've enjoyed seeing and hearing the 5 common saxophones used in music today. The E-flat sopranino, the B-flat straight or curved soprano sax, the E-flat alto sax, the B-flat tenor sax, and the E-flat baritone sax. Bye for now.